Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to be we're going to reset the transmission, adaptive shifting, how to reprogram your Mercedes-Benz transmission. All right, so basically this procedure is gonna reset the adaptive shifting points on your Mercedes-Benz automatic transmission control unit, TCU. These simple steps you guys can do it yourself. It takes less than 5 minutes. You guys don't need any tools for this. And what'll happen is they'll make your Mercedes-Benz shift like new again. So if your car's been shifting sluggishly, definitely try this. It's gonna make your car fun to drive again. It's like getting a free tune-up for your transmission. So this procedure essentially applies to all Mercedes-Benzes with the 5-speed 722.6 and the 7-speed 722.9. This is about 95% of all Mercedes-Benz cars on the road today, with the exception of some models made before 1995. And keep in mind that this reset procedure works on automatic transmissions only. So yeah, so this is gonna work because yes, the engine control unit monitors your driving habits. It records the driving style, usually by looking at the last 40 shift points, and adjusts so that the car shifts according to your style. It does this by essentially analyzing different sensors such as the throttle or the gas pedal input and other sensors. In other words, it learns your driving style. If you race your Mercedes-Benz, it will remember that and keep the gearbox in gear a lot longer. If you drive it gently, it will adapt to that as well and change gears earlier. So here's the procedure to reset the transmission adaptive learning. Okay. So one, what you're going to do is you're going to turn the key to position 2. In this position, you should see all the dash lights come on. This is the position before you start the car. Do not start the car. Okay, this is position 2. You should hear 2 clicks and all your dash lights should turn on. Definitely do not start the engine. All right, that's part 1. All right, part 2, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press the gas pedal all the way down. By pressing the accelerator pedal to the floor, you're gonna activate the kick down switch. Keep the gas pedal pressed all the way down. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep it there for 10 seconds. All right, after 10 seconds, what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the key off. You're gonna turn the key off. All right, don't remove the key. All right, don't remove the key. Turn it off. All right. With it off, what you're going to do is you're going to release the gas pedal. All right. Take your foot off the gas with it off. And at this point, you're going to wait 2 minutes. During this process, the key is left in the ignition in the off position. So you did not change the key setting. After that's done, start the car and drive. So once you perform this procedure, the ECU, the engine control unit, and the transmission control unit, the TCU, they'll work together to learn how you drive by monitoring your driving pattern. After you follow this programming steps, method of the TCU, ECU, drive the car for 15 minutes. All right, you're going to drive it around for 15 minutes. All right, what you shouldn't do is you shouldn't race the car unless that's how you normally drive the car. But normally what you want to do is you want to drive it where the transmission is shifting smooth, and normally after 15 minutes you should essentially, the car is gonna relearn your driving pattern, and it's gonna drive a lot smoother. All right, so let me just go down on let me just tell you guys how often you guys should perform this reset. So basically, even though the car is supposed to relearn and adapt to your driving style and habits automatically, what happens is that works better in theory than in practice. All right, so engineers at Mercedes-Benz had a good idea in mind, and it would be a good idea if you guys actually perform this at least once a month. But honestly, it's up to when you want to do it, depending on whether you think that your transmission could shift better, depending on your driving habits. And if you guys do have like random jerks with your transmission, it should actually help that out. Or if you guys have your transmission is changing gears when you guys aren't expecting it, if you guys are experiencing random downshifts or upshifts, definitely try this procedure out. You guys could also take it to the Mercedes-Benz dealership to have this procedure done, but obviously that's gonna cost money, and you know, they're gonna put a computer diagnostic in, and they'll do it that way. But who wants to spend $200, $300, $400 for them to analyze and pretty much make your car drive better? But you could do it for free, so definitely try this out. Guys, have any of your own personal experiences with this? Definitely leave a comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, but definitely leave your comment in the comment section if you guys have tried this and it's helped your car drive better. All right, guys, take care.